All right, thanks so much, Jonathan. Well, we could be only hours away from closing arguments and the start of jury deliberations in the murder trial of Alec Murdaugh. Our Nakaya Carrero, she is joining us live from Colleton County this morning.
And Nakaya, what can you tell us about the trip jurors will be making with the judge at the start of court today?
Well, Frank and Emma, I'm here in front of the courthouse where you can see right behind me. People are already lining up to get inside the courtroom where the trial will resume in hours. And it will start with jurors visiting the Murdaugh family's property where Murdaugh is accused of murdering his wife, Maggie, and son, Paul. I want to show you a map near where the estate is located on Moselle Road in Colleton County. Prosecutors fought a request from Murdaugh's defense team to have jurors visit the site. The state argued the property has changed after nearly 2 years since the murders. Yesterday in court, jurors heard from the last round of witnesses, and they saw some intense moments between a defense attorney and Murdaugh's former law partner. In a dramatic last day of testimony in the Alec Murdaugh trial, prosecutors calling key witnesses back to the stand in their final push to prove the disgraced lawyer murdered his wife and son.
And then what does the shooter do? He shoots Paul in the back of the head after he passes him.
Prosecutors poking hole in the defense's argument there were two shooters. Their crime scene expert walking the jury through the defense version of the crime, trying to prove they got the bullet analysis wrong.
Preposterous, in my opinion.
The prosecution taking aim at Alec Murdaugh's emotional performance on the witness stand, calling his former law partner to show Murdaugh knew how to perform for a jury when he was a trial attorney.
A theatrical type presence in the courtroom, and he could get very emotional.
The defense pushing back during a heated exchange, suggesting that partner is angry after having to pay clients back for money Alec Murdaugh stole.
Are you angry at him for stealing your money?
I have no feeling one way or the other.
I don't have any feeling about Alec Murdaugh betraying you and stealing your money.
I have had anger with him, extreme anger, Mr. Harpootlian, because of what he did. And if you suggest you are dead wrong if you think I've come in here and told this jury something because of money, when we're talking about two people who were brutally murdered, then you're headed in the wrong direction.
During closing arguments, the state will go first, followed by the defense team, and then a final rebuttal from the state. Frank, Emma, back to you.